Zinnias, part of the sunflower tribe within the daisy family, are renowned for their bright and bold colors. For both novice and experienced gardeners, they are a staple in any vibrant garden. Vivacious flowers with their myriad of hues can transform any garden into a colorful masterpiece. Whether you're just starting your gardening journey or you're a seasoned green thumb, zinnias are a fantastic choice. Now prepare to dive into the beautiful world of zinnias and see how you can add a splash of color to your outdoor space. Zinnias thrive in USDA hardiness zones 3 to 10, making them suitable for a wide range of climates. These vibrant flowers bask in warm weather and full sun, yet they are sensitive to frost. Their love for sun and warmth means they can bloom from spring right through to autumn's first frost. So, whether you're in the cool north or the balmy south, these radiant gems can add a dash of color to your garden. Remember, timing is key. Plant after the last frost in cooler areas and early in warmer zones. From the large, showy blooms of Zinnia elegans to the drought-tolerant Zinnia angustifolia and the compact Zinnia marylandica, there's a Zinnia variety for every garden. The Zinnia elegans, also known as the common Zinnia, is beloved for its rich, layered petals. The Zinnia angustifolia, or narrow-leaf Zinnia, is a resilient variety that can withstand dry conditions. Meanwhile, the Zinnia marylandica is perfect for those seeking a more compact plant for smaller spaces. Choose the perfect zinnias for your space and get ready to add that vibrant touch. Growing zinnias is simple. They need full sun, well-draining soil, and regular watering. Start by planting seeds directly into the ground or in pots, or about a 1/4 inch deep. Once the seedlings pop up, water them regularly, but avoid soaking the leaves to prevent mildew. Deadheading or removing faded blooms encourages more flowers to grow. And remember, zinnias are sun lovers, so ensure they get at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. With these tips, you are ready to keep your zinnias flourishing. Zinnias are not just a pretty face. They attract pollinators like butterflies and bees, enhancing your garden's biodiversity. Their bold colors and fragrant scent draw in these helpful insects, promoting a healthier, more vibrant garden. Additionally, zinnias make excellent cut flowers, allowing you to bring your garden's beauty indoors with these vibrant blooms. Even the hardiest plants face challenges, and zinnias too have their fair share of hurdles. Now, common issues include powdery mildew, bacterial leaf spot, and pests like aphids. But don't worry, regular care, timely watering, and good air circulation can keep these issues at bay. With these tips, keep your zinnias healthy and thriving. Zinnias are a joy to grow, offering an explosion of color and life to any garden. With their vibrant hues and versatile nature, they truly are every gardener's delight. So, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a budding enthusiast, why not give zinnias a try? Thanks for joining us in this zinnia journey. Happy gardening.